Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to K's Kitchen. Today I'll be cooking you sway fish with a side of fries, shrimp, coleslaw, and garlic bread. So let's go. Toast some garlic bread. So now we plate. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, your sway fish platter with your shrimp, your fries, coleslaw, and your garlic bread. Thank you for watching, and come on down and get a taste of the Mississippi Delta. Shout out to Cinavisuals for the visuals. Thank you again so much. Stay tuned.